Samsung 900 One X. Bluetooth device cannot detect other discoverable devices. See the difference between the two PCs. The other one is my service unit, having a detected device compared to Samsung 901X that has no detected device. Most of the common mistakes of those who install the OS, when they see that it is complete in the device manager and there is no exclamation mark, they think it's okay. But what most people don't know, even if there are pre-installed drivers after the OS is installed, it doesn't mean the drivers installed are okay. It is more necessary to install those drivers directly from the website of the manufacturers and search for the exact model to ensure the driver's compatibility, because the pre-installed drivers from the OS of Win 10 and Win 11 do not guarantee that it will work properly. Like this Samsung 900 One X, they formatted and installed a new OS, and their concern is that the Bluetooth did not work, even though there are drivers and it is complete in the device manager. I downloaded the Bluetooth from Samsung. Let's see what happens after installing the drivers that came from Samsung. And now it's working. Always download drivers directly from manufacturers to make sure for its compatibility. Don't rely on pre-installed drivers from newly installed OS.